लास्ट सेशन में हमने पढ़ा था how to form adverbs from adjectives. In today's session, we will learn how to correct errors in the use of adverbs. Hello everyone, welcome to Book Bees. Kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell button. I am only free now. Don't you think it's a wrong sentence? The word only is unnecessarily added. The correct one is I am free now. Same way, let's find out the common mistakes in the use of adverbs. In sentence 1, call me anything else than a fool. The meaning is not coming out properly, right? So the correct sentence is call me anything else but a fool. The word than to be replaced by but. In sentence 2, I want to know as to why he hit the dog. As to is unnecessarily added to why. It should not be used with why. So the correct sentence is, I want to know why he hit the dog. Third sentence, I never remember having met him before. The correct sentence is, I do not remember having met him before. The word never to be replaced by do not. In the fourth sentence, he is named as Sunil Kumar. As to be removed from the sentence. The correct answer will be he is named Sunil Kumar. In sentence 5, of course you will succeed in your mission. The correct sentence will be you will certainly succeed in your mission. In sentence 6, this story is much amusing. Much amusing? Replace the word much with very. Now frame the sentence. This story is very amusing. Sounds good, right? Sentence 7. I am very interested in the deal. No. Please change the word very with much. I am much interested in the deal. In sentence 8, he behaved cowardly before the principal. Over here in this sentence, we have to include few words to make it a perfect sentence. The correct sentence will be, he behaved in a cowardly manner before the principal. In sentence 9, please kindly help me in my work. Now, in this sentence, the correct one can be framed in two ways. Either you remove kindly and you can frame the sentence in such a way, please help me in my work. Or remove please and keep the remaining words as it is, like kindly help me in my work. In both ways, the sentences will be correct. In sentence 10, Mr. Amitabh is working very hardly on this project. The correct sentence will be Mr. Amitabh is working very hard on this project. In sentence 11, I'm too glad to see you looking so well. Replace to with very. The correct sentence will be I'm very glad to see you looking so well. In sentence 12, last night my father returned lately. The correct sentence will be last night my father returned late. Not lately, it will be late. Sentence 13, the patient is comparatively better today. No, the patient is comparatively well today. That will be the correct sentence. In sentence 14, we overpowered the culprit at length. Now in this sentence, bring at length to the forefront. That is, start the sentence with at length. So the correct sentence will be at length we overpowered the culprit. In sentence 15, he seldom or ever tells a lie. No. The correct answer will be he seldom or never tells a lie. Replace ever with never. Let's see the next sentence. The old man lived miserly. In this sentence, let's add a word, a new word. The correct sentence is the old man lived in a miserly way. Sounds good, right? And gives a clear meaning. Next sentence, he was here presently. No, doesn't sound nice. The correct sentence will be he was here just now. Replace presently with just now. Next sentence, number 18, he carefully does his work. Now, in this sentence, bring carefully to the last part of the sentence. So, the correct sentence will be he does his work carefully. Next sentence, she is too beautiful. Replace the word too with very. The correct sentence is she is very beautiful. In the next sentence, that is number 20, I am only free in the morning. Now just jumble up the words only and free and then frame the sentence again and see how it sounds. I am free only in the morning. Now over here, these two words are just jumbled up. Only and free. Put free first and then bring only after free. Then you see the sentence. The meaning comes out proper and sounds good also. I am free only in the morning. Let's see the next sentence. That is sentence 21. He was fortunately not hurt. Now, in this sentence, bring the word fortunately first and keep the remaining words as it is. Let's frame the sentence again. Fortunately, he was not hurt. Sounds good, right? In sentence 22, Pratap is somewhat intelligent for his age. In this sentence, let's add one more word and then frame the sentence. Pratap is somewhat more intelligent for his age. The next sentence, I shall present the book just now. Now replace the two words just now with the word presently. Now frame the sentence again. I shall present the book presently. Sounds good. In sentence 24, the patient is very better today. No. Replace the word very with much. The patient is much better today. In sentence 25, this is the same shirt which I bought yesterday. Now in this sentence, remove the word which and then frame the sentence again. This is the same shirt I bought yesterday. Sounds good, right? Now these are the few examples which will help you correct the errors in the use of adverbs. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thank you for watching and please support us by subscribing the channel and like the video.